Today, our lesson is about coordinating conjunctions, otherwise known as FANBOYS. FANBOYS is an acronym that represents the most commonly used coordinating conjunctions. So, to begin, FANBOYS represents the commonly used coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Now, we have our sentence here. I will buy a cake, or Mrs. Jansen will purchase muffins. Now, when I'm looking at this sentence, I have to ask myself, did I punctuate my sentence appropriately? A sentence that includes a fanboy. So to begin, I recognize that I do have a coordinating conjunction in my sentence, the word or. And so now I'm going to check and double check that I have punctuated my sentence appropriately. Writers edit compound sentences by 1. Identify the coordinating conjunction. In this case, it is the word or. As you can see, I've highlighted that with a green box. Then we have to confirm there is a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction. So I have to look for the subject and verb in front of the word or. I also have to look for the subject and verb after the word or. So I know my subject before the word or is I. It's the word I. And my verb, what is I doing? I will buy. So that's my verb. Now on the other side, after the word or, I have to see and confirm that I have a subject and verb. So Mrs. Jansen is my subject for sure. Now what is her action? What is she doing? She will purchase. So it's a verb phrase. Mrs. Jansen will purchase. So I have a simple sentence on either side of the word or. So a compound sentence is essentially two simple sentences connected by a coordinating conjunction. So that's exactly what I have. My two simple sentences are connected by the word or. So now I have to place a comma directly in front of the coordinating conjunction. As you can see, I already have my comma there. And then I have to check for the appropriate ending punctuation at the end of the compound sentence, and I have a period there. So my compound sentence is punctuated appropriately. Now we're going to try this again. Writers edit compound sentences by identifying the coordinating conjunction, or the fanboy, and then confirm there is a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction. So our coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. And the sentence we're working with is John walked to school for 30 days in a row. So now I do have a coordinating conjunction in my sentence, and I did place a box around the word for. Now I have to confirm there's a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction. So if I look, I have John, that's a subject, and I have walked, that's a verb. Now I need to move to the other side after the word for and see if I have a subject and verb, and I do not have a verb. So, and my subject is John, so I don't even have a subject over there. So my word for is not being used as a coordinating conjunction because it is not connecting two simple sentences. So sometimes when you find a fanboy, such as the word for, you're going to find that it's not necessarily connecting two simple sentences. And that's why it's important to check for, do you have a subject and verb in front of the coordinating conjunction? Do you have a subject and verb after the coordinating conjunction? Next one, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. The most commonly used coordinating conjunctions. Our sentence is, Katie read a book, so Madison typed her narrative. So I can edit compound sentences by identifying the coordinating conjunction and then confirming there is a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction. So in this sentence, the word so is my coordinating conjunction. Now I have to look and see that I have two simple sentences that are connected by the word so. The verb in front of the word so is read. So who's reading? That would be Katie. She's my subject. After the word so, my verb is typed. So who typed? That would be Madison. And so yes, I do have a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction. So that means I must place a comma directly in front of the coordinating conjunction, which I have done. And last but not least, I have to make sure that there's the appropriate ending punctuation at the end of the compound sentence, which I do have at the end of the sentence. So let's repeat our coordinating conjunctions: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. And our last sentence that we're working with in today's lesson is: the room is completely dark and my eyes can't see anything. And so as a reader, I have to edit a run-on sentence by identifying the coordinating conjunction and then confirm there's a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction. And in this sentence, the word and happens to be my coordinating conjunction. So I know the word and is my coordinating conjunction. So in front of the word and, I have to confirm there is a subject and verb. My verb is the word is. So what is? It's the room. The room is completely dark. So I do have a subject and verb in front of the word and. After the word and, let's see, what is my verb? Can't see. It's a verb phrase. So yes, I have a verb. What or who can't see? It's eyes. Eyes can't see. So I do have a subject verb. So I have a simple sentence in front of the word and. I have a simple sentence after the word and. So and is being used as a coordinating conjunction to connect two simple sentences. So now the next step is to place a comma directly in front of the coordinating conjunction. So I have done just that. I have to place my comma directly in front of the coordinating conjunction and then check to make sure that the appropriate ending punctuation is at the end of the compound sentence, which is a period. So today, what we learned was that writers edit compound sentence by 1, identifying the coordinating conjunction, FANBOYS, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. 2, confirm there is a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction. And if that's the case, if you have a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction, step 3 is place a comma directly in front of the coordinating conjunction. And finally, confirm that the appropriate ending punctuation is placed at the end of the compound sentence. So now it's your turn to reread your writing and look for coordinating conjunctions in your writing. And then when you locate a coordinating conjunction, your job is to confirm that it is being used as a coordinating conjunction by checking to confirm that there's a simple sentence before and after the coordinating conjunction. If that's the case, then place a comma directly in front of the coordinating conjunction. FANBOYS, the most popular coordinating conjunctions found in text.